In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert beveled rectangle in Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find this shape and how to select it so you can start enhancing dashboards, labels, and callouts with a subtle 3D look. Let's begin inside your workbook with the ribbon visible across the top of Excel. The first thing you want to do is head to the Insert tab. This is home base for anything you add to a sheet: charts, images, and of course shapes. If you're on Windows or Mac, the wording is the same, and the tab sits alongside Home, Page Layout, and the others. Clicking Insert simply opens the tools you need. It doesn't change your data or your sheet. Next, look for the Shapes command on the Insert tab. You'll usually find it in the Illustrations group. When you click Shapes, Excel opens a gallery that's organized into sections like lines, basic shapes, block arrows, flowchart, and more. If you hover over any icon, Excel shows its name, which makes it easy to confirm you've got the right one. Think of this gallery as your toolbox for visual elements you can layer onto your worksheet. From that gallery, locate the beveled rectangle. It typically appears within the rectangle section, and you'll recognize it by the raised, chiseled edges that give it a dimensional feel compared with a plain rectangle. When you click the beveled rectangle in the gallery, you're telling Excel, "This is the shape I want to place." Your cursor will switch to indicate you're ready to position it on the sheet, and Excel will be set for you to add it wherever it makes sense in your layout. That's all there is to identifying and selecting the beveled rectangle. Go to Insert, open the Shapes gallery, and choose the beveled rectangle from the Rectangle section. If you don't immediately see it, scroll within the gallery or pause your mouse over nearby rectangle styles until the tooltip confirms the beveled version. The name Preview is your best friend here. Once you've selected it, you're ready to incorporate a polished, professional visual element into your worksheet. Beveled rectangles work great for headers, buttons, or highlighting key metrics because the edge treatment helps them stand out without being distracting. And if you plan to keep a consistent look across your file, remember that Excel keeps your last used shape handy, so you can quickly pick it again from the Shapes button next time. Great job following along. Now you know exactly where the beveled rectangle lives and how to select it in Excel.